Look at all this right here.
Y'all see that? Chat, that's so ignorant. I feel like double dutching right now. Boom, boom. Y'all, I've been doing this randomly throughout the day, and my edges are what I like to call intact.
You hear me?
Intact and matter of fact.
Baby, I believe in us.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all, so listen, we being ignorant on top of ignorant today. I want y'all to see something right here.
Look at all this right here.
Can y'all see all that? About to measure this ponytail. This ponytail is about we looking at 44 inches. Oh. We're looking at 44 inches of ignorance on top of my head today. Yeah. It's long, y'all. Y'all will be able to see the whole thing with different angles. Because y'all know I'm professional. I'm going to come with the different angles. Because I do this. Because, you know, when you're professional, you do all the angles. So, but, y'all, the main attraction, the main one of them is this edge control, y'all. So, our friends over at Janet Collection sent me some of their... Now, it's from the Esha. I don't know if it's Esha or Isha. Y'all tell me in the comments if it's Esha or Isha, because you know we will change the name in a minute, honey. But it's their Slick and Slay 2-in-1 Braid and Edge Gel Ultra Extreme Hold. What I really like about this is it is alcohol free, y'all. They sent me the Hubba Bubba. This is the Big Mama right here. This Big Mama. They sent me Big Mama. Then they sent me the regular, what I would consider like a regular size. Standard size, salon size. This is Braid and Edge Gel. Now, the first thing I noticed when I opened this is that it smells so good. I love a gel that smells good. This is something that's going to be in my hair. If I'm doing a style like this, it's going to be a couple days. So, I wanted to smell good. We don't want to put the bad ignorant on the good ignorant. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to do that. It's thick. It has a nice thick consistency, which made me feel comfortable that it was going to be able to lay these edges. Now, y'all know I'm really about my swoopadoos. So I was like, I'm about to put this gel to the test to see if it can swoop like it's supposed to do. And I just wanted to see for myself if this edge control was going to be what I thought it might be, or if it was going to be like,
no, you should have stayed at the house.
Because it was going to be one of those two things. Of course, you see I did a ponytail style. That's just the style that I use. I'll show you the hair that I used for this particular braid. But I've had this in all day. Y'all, I've been doing this randomly throughout the day. And my edges are what I like to call intact.
You hear me?
Intact and matter of fact. That's the type of edges we want. Intact and matter of fact. I like this, and I'm adding this to my edge control repertoire. I'm adding it. Y'all know I love me a good edge control. I love it because there's so many flops out there. So when I find a good one, I gotta let y'all know. Now, this particular gel is supposed to have been created for natural hair. If you guys have natural hair, then you know sometimes it's more difficult to find an edge control that'll really control our edges, especially over a certain amount of time. And edge control can be really disrespectful. They start off like they're your friend, then you find out they've been talking about your mama. We don't roll like that. I love a nice ponytail. So my edge control has to be able to be versatile and do multiple things. It has to be able to slick my whole ponytail up. Now, I maybe put too much pressure on it. I don't know. Some people just use edge control for their edges and then they slick up their ponytail with other things. You have that option as well. But I just like to use one product. Y'all know I like to do stuff quick, easy. You already know that to be true. So if I can get something that will slick my ponytail and lay my edges, why not? Why not? My ponytail was slicked up by this gel too, y'all. This is a gel edge control. This all of them. This gel sleeks edges while penetrating hair follicles with natural oils to promote hair growth. Ooh, no flaking or white residue. So far, so good. I've had this in all day. So far, so good. Because we don't like that. We don't like that. We don't like it. We don't. That's why I only use certain edge controls. Our master formulated gel is an excellent moisturizer and will restore the natural pH balance of the hair and scalp. Ultra extreme hold. The hold is lovely, y'all. Great for braiding hair, locks, and twists. These will be available in local and online beauty supplies. Also at www.eshagirl.com. So the information will be in my description box about its availability, where you can find this gel. So this is the hair that I use for this ponytail, this ignorant ponytail. Y'all see that? Chat, that's so ignorant. I feel like double dutching right now. Boom, boom. Now, this is from their Knowledge Trust line, pre-stretched 6 times, which means that there are 6 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a value pack. It was extremely easy to work with. Let me tell you how Janet and them really messed up. Chad, they done sent me this little thing right here. You put around your wrist and you put the gel on. How real braiders do. They put the gel in the edge control. So that you remember how your mama used to put when she would grease your scalp? She would put that glob of grease right there, but the heat, your body heat, slowly but surely the grease will be done slid down and slide down, then pop, you know, it'll end up falling on your collarbone. Well, bam, this holds the edge control. So when braiders are braiding, you know how y'all do? Getting it. Y'all ain't finna stop to reach inside the jar of gel and getting more gel. Cause you know, as braiders go down, they want to get a little bit more. Bam, it's right there. Braiding, bam. Braid. Bam. Girl, so what? How you been now? You see how they can do that? I'm a braider. You see this? You see this right here? This right here means
I'm something like a braider.
We'll get y'all to the demo, but make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Also, hit that thumbs up. Not only does it help the analytics, but it also helps people to find this video. Big shout out to Janet Collection. Thank you for sending me this from Esha Girl, Isha Girl, somebody from the company. Y'all tell me if it's Esha or Isha. Okay, just confirm. I like to get people's names right. Okay, Esha, Isha, Isha. Yeah, let's get you over to the demo.
you for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? It used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I've been